Okay, good morning class. So today we're looking at geometry. I'm still busy with angles and lines. We moved on from this workbook to another textbook and on in preparation of the upcoming exam. Okay. And also to consolidate this section of work before we move on to triangles. Okay. So this from this textbook, the Study and Master. This is example. Sorry, not example, but number 2, correct? It's number 2, and this is on page 50. So the question says determine 1 to 6, angles 1 to 6 in this order with reason. Determine 1 to 6 in order with reason. So where do we start? Let's start with number 1. So angle 1 is equal to 25 degrees. Why? The corresponding angles with AB parallel to GD or DG, or GD is parallel to BA. Okay. Those of you who can't see it, these are corresponding angles. These are the if being form. Okay. Number 2, so I put 75 degrees. Number 2. What? You can see there, these are alternate angles. Or I could have gone with that all the way down. It's also alternate. Can you see that, people? We'll simply say angle 2 is 75 degrees. So alternate angles with EF being parallel to AC or GD. Okay? Number 3. Why? You're going with coincident angles. But why is then angle 375? Doesn't it add up to 180? It's actually 105. Or you could have gone with angles on a straight line. Any one of those two would have been acceptable. I'm going with co-interior. So 75 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. Is co-interior angles with EF being parallel to AB. Angle 3 is 180 minus 105 and 175. Number 4. 105. Why? Alternate angles or and what's this? Angles in a straight line or co-interior. Can you see that? Any one of those 3 will work. Okay. I'm going with alternate angles. That's 105. So angle 4, 105 degrees. So alternate angles with GD parallel to AB. Angle 5. And then 5y. Vertically opposite. As you can see, that angle is vertically opposite to that angle. Number 6. Why? Any confusion here? Yes? Any confusion here? No? Yes? Sorry? Sorry? For angle 6. Sorry, my mistake. Did I say 105? Did I say 75? I wrote it wrong. Sorry about that. The next one. Number 3. Determine 1 to 4 with the reason. So do I have to follow the order there? No. Alright, so what can be done first? Angle 2. Angle 2 is equal to what? 80 degrees. Why? For angle 2. Angle 1. Yes, angle 1 is alternate. So you can see an alternate angle 2. Okay, angle 1 is 80 degrees. So alternate angles with AB being parallel to DE or CE or CD or ED, whatever. Okay, angle 2. Angle 2. 80 degrees, right? Corresponding. You see, those lines are parallel, so those angles are equal. The F is being formed there. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles with BC being parallel to it. Number 3. Angle 3. Angle 3 is 45. Why? Alternate angles. Okay? That angle is equal to that angle there. Could I have used some interior angles here?
Yes.
No, why not? You're shorting an angle there. Can you see that? You couldn't have used co-interior angles. Okay. So angle 3 is 45 degrees. The reason is alternate angles with AB being parallel to DC. Okay, and angle 4. Sorry? Angles are not? Same. So it's 45 plus angle 4 plus 80 is equal to 180. Angles are the same. Angle 4 is equal to 180 minus 80, which is 40. And or is 100 minus 45, which is 55 degrees. Okay. Any confusion here? Number 4. Where do we start here? Huh? X plus 30, yes? Or x plus 30 plus x, yes? Equals 180. Why? Can you see that? Co-interior. They add up to 180. No? What do you also say? What is? If something adds up to 180, what do you say it is? Supplementary. So x plus 30 degrees equals 180 degrees. It's co-interior angles with AB being parallel to CD. So that's 2x is equal to 180 minus 30, which is 150. Divided by 2, 75. What if they asked us to work on that angle? It would have been 75 plus 30, which is 105 degrees. Okay? The question said was another question. The question was to solve for x and y in the figure. Are you going to solve for y? Y plus y plus 50 equals 180. Okay? The reason? Going t. So y plus 50 equals 180. Let's go in the angles. Going interior. With AB being parallel to CD. The y is equal to 180 minus 50, which is 130 degrees, divided by 2. Okay. Number 5. Where do you start here? What does this mean? Is this 0 degrees? No, what is that? Angle. You see this vertex, this is called a vertex, no? That vertex is vertex O. That's vertex O. So if you want to refer to this angle for argument's sake, did we say? It's going to be A, O, E. Can you see that? When you want to refer to this angle, what would it be? E, O, D, or D, O, E. Can you see that? Now you can say, oh, yes, that's O, E. What do you call this angle, the name of this angle? C. Where do you get the C from? D is D, O, B, or B, O, D. Yeah, naming angles. A proper name of angles. What would this be here? C, O, B, or B, O, C. Not to make the words out of the stuff. Popping. Popping. No. What would this angle here be? C, O, A, or A, O, C. You guys understand? This is why they put those letters around. Okay. Also part of the reason why. Right. So how you calculate x equals 180. So x plus 42 plus 90 equals 180. Reason? Straight line. So that's going to give you x is equal to 180 minus 42 minus 90, which is 80 degrees. Angle y? Why is it 42? Vertically opposite. Can you see that? Your two lines, vertically opposite angles are equal. So y is 42 degrees. Vertically opposite. Okay. Okay, number 6. Calculate A, B, and C. So I can calculate A. Degree. Why? Alternate angles. You will see the Z there. Okay? It's alternate angles. So A is alternate angles with AB being parallel. Okay, next. B, 130 degrees plus B equals 180. Why? Interior. With AB being parallel. So B will be 180 minus 130, which is C. C plus 104 or 50 plus 54 equals 1. So it's 50 plus C plus 54 is equal to 180 degrees. Why? It was on a straight line. So C is equal to 180 minus 50 minus 54. So they give you 76 degrees. Okay? You ready to do number 7, huh? Okay, so I'll give you a couple of minutes to do number 7 and I'll answer the sum on the board, okay? At this point I'm going to pause the video. Alright. How are we going to solve for x and y with the reason here? X is equal to 20. Huh?
Because it corresponds to the x plus 10.
What did you say? 2x plus 10 plus 50 equal to y? First one, absolutely. You see the f. That angle is equal to that. Who else? Who did not apply that? What did you write? Who wrote something different? What did you write, Madsen?
2x plus 10 plus 50.
Equals? Why?
Because there's a straight line, but then I didn't see the f, sir. But I was
If you're going on a straight line, before you go further, you see here, if you're going with this angle on a straight line, it is this angle. You see that common vertex there? There's no common vertex with that angle. Not the same. There can never be angles on a straight line. Yes? X equal to 20, why? Yes, I'm getting there. I said that is correct. So I just wanted to know where is the people going wrong. You understand? But you are correct. So it's going to be 50 is equal to 2x plus 10. And the reason is corresponding angles with EC being parallel to AB. X is one side, numbers the other side. So minus 2x is equal to 10 minus 50. Okay? So you got negative 2x is equal to, what's 10 minus 50? Negative 40. Divided by negative 2 both sides. So x is 20. I know most of you work without it. You had put 2x plus 10 on the side, not so? And then the 50 on the side, then you won't on the other side. Then you won't have negative angles, not so? That's also fine. Are you going to calculate y? Alternate angles. Can you see that? That angle plus that angle equals? Huh? Equals 180. Alternate angles are equal. So y plus 40 is equal to 3y minus 20. Yes?
I said 3y minus 20 equals y plus 40. I think that's the way around.
3y plus 3y minus 20 is equal to y plus 40 is the same as y plus 40 is equal to 3y minus 20. Okay? Alternate angles with AB being parallel to CD. So what do I do now? Y is on one side, numbers are on the other side. So what do I have? Y minus 3y is equal to minus 20 minus 40. What is y minus 3y? Negative 2y. Negative 20 minus 40. Negative 60. Divided by negative 2 both sides. So y is so what's the size of this angle here? 30 plus 40 is 70. Can you see it? So put 30 in here. 3 times 30 is 90 minus 20 is 70. You see it's the same. But that was not the question. Okay. Let's go to question 8. Again, I'm going to pause the video at this point. It'll probably take us till the point that the bell rings, but let's see first. Alright, so the bell is around. Is it on? So for homework, I would like you guys to do complete number 8, 9 and 10. Alright? With that, listen to Simon. Where are you going again? You what? Calvin, they can't see when you're walking around. Stay the same. Okay, part of your homework, I would like you guys to do equations. Just get because you're writing on these two topics, equations and geometry, so it only makes sense to give you up both topics, okay? Just get the idea. Okay, looking at last year's grade 8 paper, cycle test mini exam was done in term 3. Cycle test and control test. Let's see what topics was covered here. This was last year's cycle test. No? Cycle test 3. You can do for me number 1. Wait, not number 1. Do number 3. You see question 3? Do the bonus question as well for me. Okay? I will take a screenshot of this here and I'll send it to you, to the group. Okay? People enjoy the rest of your day and the weekend, the long weekend. Good morning, class. Morning, how are you doing?
I'm good, Melissa.
Good, good.